OMG, OMG. OMG. Okay, my friend Excalibur, I'm going to visit you guys. I will play your video here. Hmm. Where is my stickers?
Yeah, start.
No, not no stickers yet. I did not create stickers.
Excalibur, you want to join?
Okay, my friend, I'm here. OC Fair and Rides Walk Tour. Okay, watching your OC Fair. Thumbs up numbers 8 in your video. We need Gary stickers. Yes, soon. I make stickers. No. Why no?
Ana pa siya ba?
Stay there. Oh. Oh.
Ikaw siya gari, oh.
Unsa niya?
Lay. Gwapo daw ka. Yan,
Pagtarong ba diya ba?
Excalibur.
Maglagot pa ako ng maingon niya, magdili, magtarong istorya?
Ha?
Ha?
Excalibur, I love you, Excalibur. Oh.
Unsa ingon niya? Unsa ingon niya?
Ay, love na ko si Excalibur.
Pagsulti ba? Pagsulti. Di ko ganang bitin-bitinon nga ni.
Ululu, di ka gusto bitinon? Pero hindi nakapala.
Ayan, my friends, Excalibur still watching your video here, guys. We need...
Excalibur.
Wow.
Ayan.
Stay there. Ayan, still
Excalibur.
watching you, Jose Fair. Rides and
Excalibur,
tour.
you join Excalibur. I'm sleep.
He's he's working right now. He's busy working because,
Wala, di ba siya nag-work? Basta nga man na oras sa imong live, wala man ko na siya nag-work. Naman ko siya sa ilang balay.
nasa silang balay gani. Pero
Oo,
nag-work
nasa
na siya daw.
Ha, sa ilang
Ngayon
balay?
niya, nag-work. Oo. Ano man na siya? Homeschool. Homework.
Ay, ano siya? Kanang na, tawag ana? Kanang
Working
na,
at home.
work from home.
Yeah.
Hoy, hoy, wag kang umalis. Sipain ka ta dyan. Sana all. Work
Naughty
from
night
home
bot.
din na siya.
Oh.
Yan sa akong live lagi kay Kuan, dili na siya magdugay.
No, Marian, I'm inside my pool. Wow, nice pool,
Wow!
huh?
Look!
Ina,
I see the pool.
Marian will join you in the pool.
I will join you in your pool, Excalibur. And
And
I
let's have bubbles.
yeah, I'm like for bubbles and I am wearing a two-piece.
It's hot. It's hot. So he's in the pool.
Excalibur, I'm wearing two-piece. In your pool, Excalibur. I have no
I have no clothes.
wow, I like that. No clothes.
Right.
Oh
Marian, like naked.
yeah, I like naked.
Marian
Yeah,
naked and Excalibur 2 is naked. You're both naked. You're like Adam and Eve.
OMG. Yeah,
Aha.
sinong ahas? Sinong snake?
Snake. Sinong snake?
Oh, sino si snake?
Ikaw.
Kasi ako lang si Ibag si Adan. Ay siya si Adan, ako si Iba. So, di ba may
Sinong
may
snake?
ahas?
Ayan, thank you, thank you. You're in the pool. I'm Adam with wow, yeah. You're Adam and with the snake, the cobra, huh? Maria like the pool and bubbles in the pool.
Yeah.
Nag-experience na kag-bubble sa pool? Na pa. Pag kuan ba, pag video, butang nimo sa imong easy kanang bubbles ka sa pool kay dahag videos,
Wala
dahag
mo ko'y
audience.
pool. Wala mo ko'y pool.
Kuan, kana bitang planggana ra. I will join next time. Yes, you can join next time because you're in the pool and the naked is not allowed. You can join me next time. Okay? Enjoy your pool. Enjoy the hot weather in California.
Oh, hindi ba sila ron?
Hmm. And you have to drink a lot of, tequila. Yes, I agree. Because it's hot, then you have